Wow, crap. Do I have to use an NPM on this thing? Oof. Ah. Why do I need a GitHub account for that? Well, that's awkward. Right, so right now, basically I'm just installing Angular globally. And so now I want to make a new Angular application, so I'm going to do ng new, I'm trying to think of a name, RSVP, RSVP tracker. I'm going to put everything lowercase. Should I put everything in lowercase? RSVP tracker. So right now it's going to make all of that. I should put music in my streams. So right now is Angular builds the web app. Well, Angular is basically the framework, so it's kind of hosted, like, instead of writing line by line of all your nitty-gritty JavaScript, Angular is a framework that kind of speeds up the development process. So basically right here, npm install Angular CLI installs the Angular framework on my machine, and ng new RSVP tracker means just build me a new Angular application called RSVP tracker. So what I'm going to do is, so you'll see over here that I got like basic files for everything. So this is the framework for the Angular app. So what I can do is just open Visual Studio Code. Should not be streaming this. Close all to the right. Alright. So what we're going to do is open. open a folder, and we want to open this folder. I should have done that. Alright, so right now so you have node modules, src. So index.html is always going to be your first page. So I'm going to open terminal, and to run this thing, I think it was ngserve, but that might have changed since I... Ooh, there's a new update. What are you doing anyways? Failed to create file handle. Okay. I don't know what that was. So there's a new thing called Flex. I've been using that recently, and I kind of like that more than Bootstrap. So we'll see. Depends on my. It kind of depends on my mood what I want to use. So maybe I can send a link to what I've been enjoying. Flex in Angular. Because I think in the latest Angular they baked in this thing, so I don't have to like install it separately, unlike Bootstrap where I have to install it and then use it. That's what it's called. It's pretty easy to use, I think. I haven't used it in a month though, so I have to read all the documentation. Like, oh, there's like a quick start. I'll tell you how to import it and everything. So I probably have to read all that. As soon as this thing loads. Okay, for some reason it will not update. I don't know why. Alright, so let's just try this. Alright, so it'll say listen on localhost 4200. Just go here. Localhost 4200, and your app is running. Well, this is kind of default skeleton. We have to remove all that. So what I'm kind of thinking is, jeez. Okay. How am I supposed to make this thing? I kind of want to make it that. So I think I'll have all my emails in like a comma separated file. So I want to read emails from a comma separated file. It sends out the email to them. They respond back, and I'm supposed to track it. I have no idea how I'm going to do that though, so I guess first thing is, alright, so what we're going to do is we have the Angular app up, but we need a backend for it too, so I'll make that with .NET. So file, new project. Let's try .NET Core. I haven't been using it, so this might be fun. RSVP backend. Terrible name, but I don't care. Jeez, my hard drive is full. Alright, so let's just call it here backend. And we're gonna make this folder. Ooh, we could Dockerize it too. I've been meaning to try that out for a while. Alright, so this is our class. I don't know how complicated we want to get into this thing about architecture and stuff. Ooh, and I haven't tried dependency injection in .NET Core. So I'd have to look that up. Maybe you can use a DBMS. That's true. That's a good idea. I've never tried a DBMS locally. I guess, yeah, I could store all the responses in a database. I probably would need something like that. Alright, that's a good idea, but for now I'm just going to store it in memory, which is a terrible idea, but then once we get this running we can incorporate a DBMS. So, I don't know how clean I want to write this code, because it's just for fun, this stuff, but what we can do, I guess we can read from a comma separated file first. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a dummy comma separated file to this thing. So, do we know what a comma separated file is? I did not ask that question. But, so in here, do I want to put in let's make another folder. Or, nah, it's fine. Okay. Yep, CSV. So we're just going to call it like emails. And I'm just going to put some dummy emails. I should not be putting my, who cares? Going on at gmail.com. And then, do you want to give me your email address to test out with? Oh, I could use burner emails. Never mind, don't need your email. Alright, so we have the email set there, and then we're going to open Visual Studio. I'm not putting that, no. Alright, so what we can do here is add existing item. Well, actually, let's make this a little cleaner. I am going to make a new project, and I'm going to call it common. So common, I should put namespaces, but whatever. I don't care about architecture right here. Do I want to put, I shouldn't have called it RSVP backend. I knew that was a terrible name. You know what? I should have given it a nice name. Whatever, I'm going to call it common for now. So common is a project that can be referenced by any project in the solution. So what we're going to do here is we don't really need a program.cs because our main entry of the program is going to be here. What I'm going to do is add the email file to this. So move emails, right? There we go. Alright, let's just get this thing working. There. Oh, I don't know how you read files in .NET Core. This is as new as me as it is to you, because I don't really work too much in .NET Core. I wonder if there is just a stream. Using their streams, do they have file streams? They don't. This is going to be fun. I'm going to have to Google everything. Files. stream and read into a file in .NET Core. Read all text. Okay. Oh, there is a stream reader too. But I didn't. Oh, did it not come up? What with the file stream? There's file stream. Stream equals new file stream. Do I have to add it? Yep. File stream. And then do I put emails? I don't think it's going to find it. I just see it if the path is a problem. And file access. Initializes a new instance of the file stream class with the specified file handle with the specified read-write permissions. This is a new file. We just want to read from the file for now, so I'm just going to put that like that. And now file, here's something cool. If you look at file stream and you go to definition, you'll see stream. Stream goes and implement iDisposable. So for iDisposable, you always want to put it in a using statement, so to prevent memory leaks. So you're going to use var file stream. Why is this so hard for me? You know what? Let's just do it here. Using var stream is equal to file stream. Alright. By the way, is my keyboard coming off really loud? Alright. Why is this an error? Save file handle? What does save file handle mean? Save. Is it for backwards compatibility? That's weird. Not too bad. There we go. File stream. It's a new file stream. Stream reader. Oh, the stream reader takes in a file stream. This should work though. Is there an overload? Boo. Hold on. Does this give me an error? Why? Oh, using the... Is my thing wrong? System.io. Yep, I'm trying to read in the file, but so this is .NET Core. If it was .NET, I kind of know it pretty easy because I'm used to programming on Windows, but .NET Core can run on any platform like Linux or anything. So some of the things that are in .NET, or some of the things, so some of the file like method operations that you apply in .NET won't be supported in .NET Core because it's more universal. But for some reason, this is not working. I don't know why. Did I get the wrong? What, this works? File stream. Why is this one work? Why does this one work? Whatever. Emails.text. Alright. And then I use using their reader or file reader. Go to new file reader. No, stream reader. Jeez. File stream. And then alright. No, let's call it stream reader. Alright. Blah. Blah. Alright. And then I'm gonna do stream reader dot read line, but on read line, or do I want to split it? Oh, is there a read all? Read line async? I don't use async. Oh, reads the next character. Oh, there's a read to end. Okay, let's try this one. Read to end. So, their file contents not empty. So, I'm going to dump out the file contents into here, dispose of the stream by right, and then what can I do? Alright, so now I want to split it. So emails equal to file contents dot split based on your comma. So let's just make sure that works. Yeah. Alright, RSVP backend bin debug .NET Core. So that's because I need to copy this to output directory for now and add a reference to this. Can I add a reference here? Alright, that might work. Oh, I had to rebuild it. Well, this is great. Jeez, I don't want. You know what? I'll just. You know what? I'll just remove common. Why doesn't it want to go out to the debug? So right now I'm checking the output. There is no output. Does this work differently in .NET Core? Oh, I do not copy. So copy always. Save that. Build this. Does this get run? Yes. So this should work. Alright. Emails. There we go. Except I don't need an RN, and I don't need /r/n. How do I remove /r's and /n's? Remove /r/n in C#. Replace. Okay, it's that easy. Got replace /r/n with string.empty. Alright. Oh, so here I probably would do for Alright. Emails dot for each. Come on. X dot replace string dot empty. Does this have to be a Alright. It didn't work. Do I have to do X's? Can I do this? Oh, wait. Let's try. Cannot assign void. Duh. What's your homework? Alright. Why doesn't it want to replace it? Am I doing this wrong? Reading for my pets in society class. Your pets? Oh, that's fun. I don't remember what context-free grammar was, though. What was context-free grammar? I forget. Like state machines? Yeah, put stat probability. I don't. Why is this so hard? I'm not doing it. It sounds like fun. NFA, DFA? Oh, that sounds familiar. What was NFA and DFA? NFA and DFA. Oh, right, it's T. Oh, jeez. I kind of remember this. Oh, right, because you have a state of Q0, and if you have an input A, where does it go? So here it can go to Q0 or Q1. Okay, I remember this. Whatever, for each their email and emails, whatever. My brain is not working right. Why doesn't it want to do that? Or every email, am I doing this right? I'm being an idiot right now. Whatever, I don't care. Alright, now how do I send an email in .NET Core? How to send emails in .NET Core. Then maybe read up on some DBMS. What are you reading up in DBMS? Like procedures and stuff? Oh, that's interesting. There was no way to send email on .NET Core in version 1.0, the framework in 1.6, the SMTP client code in .NET was not yet ported over. That is until the release of .NET Core 2.0. With things ported over, the interfaces and classes are virtually identical to ones you might have used in the full framework. Consider writing So consider the following written in .NET Core 2.0. I don't get how this works. More like ER models. ER models? Entity relation. Entity relationship diagrams. Oh, those. Yeah, those are kind of important. I am trying to find how to send. The .NET Core 2.0 error message. Oh, you can use a Gmail account. That's interesting. Oh, you can use an smtpgmail.com account. That's interesting. I did not know that. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a new class. I'm going to call it smtp client. So I didn't know how, I've never really sent email using .NET Core. But apparently you can use Gmail according to this post, so I'm just going to copy paste this and see what's going to happen. Message to from CC at BCC subject body is HTML. Alright. That's pretty cool. I feel like it's pretty... I really don't know if this is going to work, but this seems interesting. Alright, so I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to do public void send email. I'm going to do this. And mail message is oh, they have a system.net.mail. Seems too easy to be true. It probably is. I really don't trust this, but this is really cool. I did not know you could do something like this. Oh, but see, my password's hard-coded. I don't want to stream that.